Good morning, Mrs. Harris. How have you been feeling?
Honestly, doctor. I'm just so tired all the time. I wake up tired, I go to bed tired. I'm starting to wonder if something's really wrong with me.
You're not alone. Fatigue is actually one of the most common reasons people come to see me. Studies say about 6 to 13% of doctor visits are for tiredness.
That many? I thought I was just falling apart faster than my friends.
Not at all. And the good news is, in most people, tiredness isn't caused by a serious disease. A big review in BMC Family Practice looked at thousands of patients. They found anemia caused fatigue in about 2.8%, cancer? Very rare, just 0.6%, other serious illnesses? Around 4.3%. Interestingly, the most common single cause they found was depression, which showed up in about 18.5% of people complaining of tiredness.
So it's more likely to be my mood or lifestyle than something dangerous?
Exactly. Most cases are linked to three main things: poor sleep, psychological stress, and nutritional gaps.
Nutritional gaps. I eat toast in the morning, biscuits with tea. Plenty of sugar to keep me going.
Sugar gives you quick energy, but it's like lighting paper, it burns fast and leaves nothing behind. Your body needs specific vitamins and minerals to keep your energy steady.
Like which ones?
The key ones are B vitamins, especially B6, folate, and B2. They help make red blood cells and keep your brain chemistry balanced. Iron carries oxygen to your cells. Magnesium and zinc, needed for muscle and nerve function and hundreds of energy-related reactions.
How would I know if I'm low on those?
Some signs can include pale skin, dizziness, shortness of breath, possible iron or B vitamin deficiency, hair loss, brittle nails, slow healing, could be low zinc, iron, or B vitamins, muscle cramps, twitching, poor concentration. Might be magnesium or calcium related, but symptoms alone can be misleading, so we don't guess, we test.
What kind of tests?
We can do a simple blood draw to check CBC and ferritin for iron levels, vitamin B2 and folate, sometimes homocysteine or methylmalonic acid for more detail, vitamin D, minerals like magnesium, zinc, and calcium if your symptoms fit. There are also comprehensive micronutrient panels, and even at-home kits, but I recommend confirming any results with your doctor.
So should I just start taking a bunch of vitamins now?
Not necessarily. Research shows that correcting a real deficiency, like low iron or B2, can make a big difference. But taking extra when your levels are already normal usually doesn't help, and sometimes can be harmful. The best approach is targeted treatment based on your test results.
And if my tests are fine?
Then we focus on lifestyle, sleep, aim for a regular bedtime, keep screens off an hour before sleep, and check for sleep apnea. Mental health. Fatigue is often linked to stress or depression. Talking about it can help. Balanced diet, lean proteins, leafy greens, nuts, and whole grains give lasting energy. Gentle activity, even light walking can boost energy and mood.
And when should someone be worried about tiredness?
If it lasts more than a few weeks, or if you also have unexplained weight loss, night sweats, fevers, or severe weakness, then it's important to see a doctor right away.
I came in thinking it might be something awful, but now I know there are tests and fixes.
Exactly. Fatigue is often a signal, not a sentence. With the right checks and small changes, most people get their energy back. If this video helped you or someone you care about, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more health conversations that make sense. Your support helps us reach more people who need it.